Hello everyone, today I'm gonna open this Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. I will put this on the heating plate for like 15 minutes. I also have a heat gun. If you have a heat gun, you go around the back for 4 minutes. Okay, with the heat gun, you always have to move around. Don't let it stay at one spot for so long because it's gonna damage the part inside the phone. Keep it moving around like this. Okay, after heat, I'm gonna use a razor to find a spot to lift it up, and then if you have any metal stick like that, you can use or any pie or any playing card, business card, credit card. Then after you can find a little hole open, then you can go around and take the back off. But be careful. They have the sensor, fingerprint sensor flag right here. Since after you go all around the phone to open the back, press this button down to separate it from the back. Okay, one important thing I need to tell y'all. See, it's cracked like that. You need to be careful when you try to open it because the small glass gonna get to your face or your eye. So you need to wear the glass, or like your head has to be very high up from this when you try to open the bag. See, that's how I open. I find a spot, I put the razor in, I put this cord in, and now I just go around the phone. But I remember push it back down. This part, the fingerprint is very hard for you to press it down and make it loose from the back. So if you can't do that, you find it so hard, just lift it up a little bit like this, and then use a plier to separate the flag from the phone. Do you see the flag that's stay right here under? You can use the tweezer or the plier, the long plier, to go under the back and then make it loosen the flag from the phone. Then you can lift it up the back. You see him talk about right here. If you can push it back, if it's too hard for you. So this way you can still do it. But if you change the back, you have to take this and then take this off of the broken back and put in a new one. Next step, I'm gonna unscrew all the screw right here and take off this part, metal part. Then I can change the charging port. All the screw take off. Now I leave it up this. You can pile this plastic in the corner right here. Okay, just use all this. You can find a spot to lift all the hot plastic up. Okay, now this is charging port. You make sure you buy the USA version. They have the model number. This is G955U is for USA. The one with F is for international. And then they're not able to charge. Maybe a tenner not gonna work. You can't make call or anything. So buy the right model number. So it's so easy by now. Now you see the screw here. We take all it off and disconnect the antenna from the old charging port, and then you disconnect the home button and then this cable. So after you disconnect, you can lift it up and take the old one off. Okay, if you can snap down, take the motherboard out so it's safe for your phone. Now I take off all the flag on the motherboard and get the SIM tray out. Make sure to get the SIM tray out. And now okay, now we put it back, the motherboard. Make sure you take the flag out of the way so you can put the motherboard out. You careful when you lay it down too. This side. Okay, now we put the antenna in the rail. You could use the tweezer to hold it and press it down. You make sure the antenna go in the rail because you can leave it out. And this is right here. Push it under the bar too. Now we snap back the LCD. Since you already in this state, if you have battery bad, you can change it after you remove the bar. Your camera bad, you can change. You can change on part after you take off the back glass. It's easier than the repair charging port. For the back glass, now I push it to take off the fingerprint sensor. Also, you can hit this part with the heat gun, and then to separate it. This is how the new back glass look like. They don't have anything, so make sure you keep this and put it back to the new one. Okay, now I put back this. And then put back this and screw. So to this day, I think now you know what to do.